Ever wonder how Netflix, Zoom, or Canva make millions while you pay just a tiny monthly fee? That magic is called SaaS. And today I will show you exactly how it works, why it's booming, and how you could even start your own SaaS business. Hey, I am Altaf, co-founder of Flow. We have helped SaaS companies double their conversions and saved over $200,000 on their websites. I built a SaaS website that actually helps businesses grow, and today I will share some of the secrets from the booming industry. Also, check the links in the description if you want to learn how to build profitable SaaS or create $10,000 SaaS website. Let's break it down really simply. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Think about apps you use every day like Netflix, Spotify, Canva, or Zoom. You don't buy them once. You subscribe and log in whenever you want. It's like renting an apartment instead of buying a house. Everything is ready for you. No fixing, no painting, just move and enjoy. That's what SaaS does for software. The company handles updates, security, and all the boring stuffs. You do just subscribe and use it. And here's the cool part for SaaS companies. Instead of selling once, they earn money every month. That's why even small SaaS tools can grow into multi-million-dollar companies. If you want to build a profitable SaaS businesses, I made a 6-minute video. Check it out after this, the link in the description. Alright, you might be wondering, why is SaaS company so popular these days? Why are so many companies using it? Here are the 3 simple reasons. First, it's easy to start. You don't need a warehouse, inventory, or lots of stuff. Just an idea, some code, and a website, and you are ready to go. Second, global reach. It's online, so customers anywhere in the world can use it at the same time. Someone in New York, someone in Tokyo, everyone can use your app. Third, predictable income. Monthly subscription means you can plan your growth, no more guessing. SaaS is basically a money-making machine. Easy to start and grows fast. But here's the catch, even the best idea fails. If your website looks messy, loads slowly, or confuse people, that is a first impression. It can make or break your business. I have helped SaaS companies double their conversions and saved over $200,000 on their websites. If you want to help building a high-performing SaaS website, you can book a call with the link in the description. Or if you want to do it yourself, check out my videos on building a $10,000 SaaS website. The links are in the description. Now let's talk about the future of SaaS. And honestly, it's huge. The SaaS market is expected to hit almost $1 trillion by 2030. That's bigger than the economy of most countries. So why it's growing so fast? Let me give you 3 examples. First, AI-powered SaaS. Think about tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. They don't just do what you tell them. They actually help you write, plan, and create faster. Soon, almost every SaaS tool will have AI built in, making work easier than ever. Second, Micro-SaaS. These are the small tools that solve one specific problem. For example, an app that helps restaurants manage reservations. Simple. But people pay for it every month. Solve one problem really well, and you can make money. Third, connected SaaS. People want software that works with other apps. Look at Zapier. It connects hundreds of apps automatically. SaaS that integrates easily, it's winning big. So the SaaS world is booming. If you have thought about starting your own SaaS, now is the perfect time. You don't have to figure it out alone. You can see what others are doing, join communities, and even follow conversation on Twitter to get ideas and tips from the real SaaS founders. The SaaS world is exploding with opportunities, and the next big idea could be the one everyone's talking about. Ready to make it happen? All the guides are in the description. And hey, if you want to see more tips, real examples, and behind the scenes strategies that help SaaS founders grow smarter and faster, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's build the next SaaS success story together.